This is the space I need to get in on this line. I want my weight on this and I want to pinch and control. It's like he's powerful here, but if he's sitting on his butt, like he's not powerful here.
Well, I thought his course was very great in terms of like focusing on the little things that makes athletes great.
And it's super simple to get down and it works. It's very effective. And so I struggled a little bit with the wall work. It was good to brush up on some stuff.
It was great. I learned a lot. He's such a good teacher. He really helped me kind of navigate and use pressure through my toe.